Hi everyone, this is Lewis from Install Direct and Annie of Interiors. Today is 2 Minute Tuesday's interior design tips. Today we're going to be talking about how to stage your property. Okay, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the like button. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. It helps more people see the video. And don't forget to see our stuff on social media. Our Instagram and Facebook page are updated daily. The first thing I think is very important for staging a property are dimensions. The sizes of the pieces of furniture that you choose is very, very important for the energy and the flow of the room. So if a potential tenant or a potential buyer for your property is walking in, he doesn't feel obstructed by the furniture. To have a good size, good proportions, is very, very important and key, and will definitely help rent or help sell your property. Here are a few examples of some properties where the owners put in furniture which is slightly too big and makes the room feel cluttered. My second tip for staging a property would definitely be to make the beds. Put some really nice linen on the beds, put some scatter cushions on, maybe a throw. Definitely also put some scatter cushions on the sofa or armchairs that you have in the living room. If they can match and meet the colours, fantastic. This makes a big difference, again, when a tenant or a potential buyer is visiting the property, they can visualise themselves living there. Here are a few examples of where we've dressed the property, added a linen package from our furniture packages. There's another video of this which I'm going to link in the description below. As you can see, the property feels much more homely, dressed, and a potential buyer or tenant can visualise themselves living there. My third tip would be window dressing. If there's anything that's going to make your property feel much more homely, it's going to be window dressing. Ideally, I would put curtains on a taller, longer window. I'd definitely recommend putting double treatment window dressing, which means having the curtain and voiles. Voiles still allows loads of light to flood through the property and also gives you that privacy during the day. Here are a few images of some properties where we've installed a furniture package, but the owners decided not to go with window dressing. Here are a few examples of some of our properties with window dressing. As you can see, if you're a potential tenant or buyer walking into this property, having window dressings makes a massive difference. Here are a few images of some projects that we've done recently. I'm not going to say what's wrong in the images. I want you to comment below, and I promise you I'll reply on every single comment. Okay, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the like button. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. It helps more people see the video. And don't forget to see our stuff on social media. Our Instagram and Facebook page are updated daily.